Hi, I'm Alex, and in this short video I show you a brand new 24 or 25 Lenovo, in this case V17 G4 series laptop. It's very similar to the smaller V15 series laptop, and it comes with 8 GB of memory RAM and a small solid state disk. And I'll show you how to upgrade this laptop to a bigger solid state disk, and I'll show you the laptop how to open and something. So first remove all the screws. Be careful, in the front there are smaller screws, so I already removed most of the screws. And now you can use a plastic clip and be very careful, and you can open this laptop. I'm already opened it some minutes ago, and voila, it's very easy. Here you can see the laptop, the CPU fan. 1, 2, 3. You can remove the CPU fan and change it with another, with the other CPU fan. You can clean it here. You can see the keyboard is fixed on the palm rest. So if you want to replace the keyboard, better you buy a complete palm rest, because you can see it here. The keyboard is fixed under this cover, and it's very difficult. So here you can see the Wi-Fi part, and also very easy. You can see here the battery. In this case it's this type number, L20 M3PF0, I think. And here you can see, if you see this video after many years, the BIOS battery. You can buy a new special BIOS battery with this cable and plug off. And here you can see the solid state disk with the adapter. It's a small solid state disk. You can open it here, and under this cover is the slot for add-on memory, in this case DDR4. And now we are open this cover, and first remove the battery connection. Be very careful. So now it's very easy, and remove also the DC jack plug-in. So we remove this cover, and you can see here we have space for in this case I use a simple Lexar DDR4 RAM, and you can see it here, this or this way. Be careful, very careful. We can plug it here, so a little bit this way, and voila, that's it. Now we upgraded it from 8 GB, it's fixed on the motherboard, to 24 GB. I think the maximum for it's around 40 GB, so you can add a 32 GB of memory. So you can also see the CPU or graphic chip is fixed on the motherboard. This little tiny thing is the complete motherboard. And now we open this with a for the case you need a Torx, and for this you need a simple screwdriver here. Oops. And now we are removing, and where is the screw? Here is the screw. We remove this adapter and the small solid state disk. It's new, and in this case we use a Kingston and plug in on the side here. You can see it here. You can see it here. Show you that. So you can see it here, this Nietzsche. So, and now we don't need the adapter anymore. And now we use the right screwdriver, and it fits perfect. Check it. This thermal paste, okay, it's not very important, but so now don't forget back the battery, start, and be happy if you buy the right parts. And back with the case. Check everything is alright. So you can see here BIOS battery, CPU fan, memory, NVMe, but the battery, and back with all. And that's it. If you have any questions, write in the comments, and good luck and on your own risk. Bye.